Today's mission: build this tiny steam train. It has only 57 pieces. So what could possibly go wrong? Let's start with the engine. Every great train begins with a strong heart. Ooh, shiny gold. Now it's looking like a first-class train. Chimney installed. Don't worry. This one only runs on Lego power. Time for the driver's cabin. Now our tiny driver finally has somewhere to sit. Wait, something's missing. How is this train supposed to move? Of course, the wheels. Now we're ready to roll. Choo-choo! Which vehicle should we build next? Subscribe for more Lego builds.